Hello everyone, my name is Matthew Dark and this is my screencast review for week 1 in MIU. Some things that gave me some trouble was I had trouble figuring out how to get my button onto my image and get my image in place, and with some help from the instructor I figured that I could add my button to my image and link it to the add item page. And the problem I had with my image was later I realized, at first I thought I had to re-render it, and then later I realized that I was calling a PNG instead of a, or I'm sorry, I was calling a JPEG instead of a PNG from the images folder. Also, my background was not showing, and I believe that was caused by the jQuery and the CSS fighting against each other. So I took my background off of my CSS, and still don't have a background. I also would like my image to be wider to fit across the screen, and I plan on doing that in the future weeks here. Some things that went well. Well, first off, I actually finished, and my app is actually working, except for this part here, and this is just because of the jQuery and the CSS, but when I do that it seems to work just fine. And I have all my items here. So there were some things that were familiar in this course that I used, and mainly that was HTML and CSS. I feel that learning server-side and jQuery will build a strong knowledge base for my future career in mobile development. And the reason why I chose the layout that I chose was I feel that my users would use they would use the browse buttons mainly, and maybe later the search feature after they've stored quite a few travel plans. Client-side mobile development is the only thing I know as of now, and so far I've really enjoyed developing this app. I would later like to include server-side to it, for example, storing data in clouds and other features. The feature search browse has slightly improved my app by its look and usability, although the search and error pages are not finished, and I also would like to add back buttons to the link pages for better usability. I figure Project 2 will cover those areas and further improve my design. Some things I'm sorry. And I think that's it. So, alright, thank you. Thanks for watching my video.